In this video, we are going to do Unit 2, Places and Buildings, Speaking Tasks 4 to 7. Before we look at the tasks, let us review our lesson objective. So in this unit, you will learn how to use prepositions to talk about your hometown. You will use adjectives to describe your hometown and use the correct tense when responding to questions. Pronounce regular and irregular past simple tense endings. But what is the focus of tasks 4 to 7? We are going to practice using prepositions to talk about hometown, and we are also going to learn some adjectives that you can use to describe your hometown. Of course, you need to use the correct tense forms. Okay, so these three are our objectives for tasks 4 to 7. In the previous video, in task 3, you listened to a boy describing his hometown, and here's the audio script, yes? And then you matched the places in the box with the letters A to H on the map. Yeah. So this is a good sample for you to do task 4. Okay. So what's task 4? Describe your hometown. So this is a model that you can use to describe your hometown. You might want to draw a map to help you. Okay. So prepare a short talk describing your hometown. If you want, you can draw a quick map of either the center of your hometown or the area where you live and describe your hometown. This is not a 5 minutes presentation like your level 2 presentation, okay? It's a short talk, less than a minute. Okay, so prepare a short talk, practice it at home. In my live lesson tomorrow, I might ask you to describe your hometown. So please come prepared. Let's move on to task 5. Let me make it bigger. Task 5. Task 5 is a very easy task. It's pretty straightforward. You can pause the video and read the instructions yourself. You need to learn to read and understand instructions yourself instead of someone reading it to you. That's why I always tell you to pause the video and read the instruction yourself. Because in the exam, you're going to read the instruction yourself. Yes, there's no one to help you. There's no one to read it aloud for you. Okay. So what are you going to do in this exercise? You need to match the words in each column with a title, with a heading from the box. For example, let's say hot, humid, mild. What would you match this list with? Areas? No. Buildings? Climate? Opinion? Complete the task on Moodle. Task 6. Read the instruction. So what does the task require you to do? You need to look at these words and phrases in the box and write them in the correct column in exercise 5. Okay. All right. So I'll show you both the tasks together, 5 and 6. So it will be easy for you to understand what I'm saying. Okay. But before that, let's look at the words in the box. Do you understand all the words in the box? Of course, you can use your dictionary to refer to the meaning. However, I'd like to explain some words that could be difficult for you. I'm not going to explain the easy words, but some difficult words, like, for example, high rise. Here's the dictionary entry of high rise. What's high rise? A tall modern building with many floors. Okay, so you can read the example. So high rise is a tall modern building. For example, Dubai, if you visit Dubai, you can see a lot of high rise buildings. Yeah. Okay, what's the next word? Indoor. Here's a dictionary entry. Happening inside a building, like an indoor sport. Can you think of some indoor sport? Like table tennis, for example. Yeah, it's an indoor sport. Yes? Okay. Incredible. Impossible. Very difficult to believe. That's incredible. Okay, but when you describe places, sometimes we use incredible in a very positive meaning, just to say that the place is incredible. Means it's very beautiful. You can't believe how beautiful it is. Okay, so to show that something is beyond your imagination, people use the word incredible. And the last word, magnificent. Very beautiful, very good, very beautiful, or deserving to be admired. So when you say magnificent, the actual meaning is beautiful, very beautiful, but you are using a stronger word to say that's very beautiful. Okay. If you need help with other words, please refer to your dictionary. Now I've put task 5 and 6 together. You've already completed task 5. Yes? Okay, I explained task 5 to you. So let's go to task 6. Here, you need to put the words in the box in the correct column. Okay, all right, let's see. For example, let's look at the first column. Location. Okay, location words. You've already got a list of words. Now you need to add to this list from words from this box. Okay, all right. So location words. Can you put ancient here? No. Colorful? No. Cool, enormous, high rise, tourist, in the south. That's a location, yeah? So you can put this word here. Yes? Okay, so try to complete the lists in exercise 5. Both the tasks are on Moodle, so you can log into your Moodle page to complete the task. Task 7. Let's read the tip. It's a good idea to use pairs of words with similar meaning when you talk about your hometown. This shows the examiner that you have a good range of vocabulary. For example, a lot of people live and work in my city. It's very busy and crowded. So see the two words? These are words that often go together, and it's a good idea to use such words and words that go together, words with similar meaning. This will show the examiner that you've got a good store of vocabulary, a good range of vocabulary to speak. Okay? Right. So task 7, complete the sentences with pairs of adjectives from the table in exercise 5. Okay, so go back to exercise 5. Yes, you've already completed the table. with lots of words. Yeah. So use those words to complete task 7. This task is also on Moodle. Okay. Before I conclude, a piece of advice: always try to learn words as part of a phrase or in connection with other words they're often used with, like warm and sunny, crowded and noisy. Okay, so look for words that connect or are often used together and learn them as phrases, as chunks. Okay, so this will help you to speak fluently, and also this will help you to show the examiner that you've got a good range of vocabulary. This is the end of the video.